10 years ago, I made my first $100,000 in digital marketing. And it wasn't from the usual suspect. Want to know my secret strategy? Watch this. I am not some guru with a fancy suit and a Lamborghini. I'm just a regular person who figured out how to crack the digital marketing code and make some serious money doing it. Today, I'm taking you back to the beginning, how I hit that first $100,000 milestone. And trust me, it wasn't an overnight success. Back then, digital marketing was the Wild West. Everyone promised overnight riches, but the reality was brutal. I wasted months on get-rich-quick schemes, feeling like a fool. My bank account was empty, my self-esteem was short, and I was this close to giving up. Sound familiar? Maybe you are in the same boat right now, feeling lost and overwhelmed. Well, I'm here to tell you there is hope because I turned it all around. But then I had an epiphany. I stopped chasing trends and focused on building a solid foundation. I mastered one skill at a time. SEO, content marketing, email list. It wasn't glamorous, but it was a turning point. I remember spending countless nights learning the ins and outs of Google Analytics, writing blog posts that nobody read, and sending emails that get zero replies. It was tough, but I kept going. I knew I was on the right track. One thing that really set me apart was my willingness to go the extra mile. I offered clients personalized strategies, over-delivered on projects, and built genuine relationships. This led to referrals and repeat business, which fueled my growth. And then it happened. I landed a dream client, a big name company that needed help with their online presence. The project was challenging, but I poured my heart and soul into it. When they saw the results, they were blown away. That's when the floodgates opened. Suddenly, I had more clients that I could handle. My income skyrocketed. I realized it's not about selling, it's about solving problems, and when I make that shift, everything changed. So, what is the takeaway? Success in digital marketing is not about luck or shortcuts. It's about hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Fast forward to today, and that same mindset is what led me to co-found Optima, a world-leading digital marketing firm. If I can do it, so can you. Don't give up on your dreams. And finally, deliver value like it's the only thing that matters, because it is. Now, it's your turn. Tell me in the comments what's one thing that you're going to do differently after watching this video. And if you're ready to take your digital marketing journey to the next level, hit that subscribe button. I've got a ton of valuable content coming your way to help you succeed. And hey, if you're ever looking for expert help, you know where to find us at Optima. I'm Richard, and this is Optima.